and today I'm revealing a game-changing way to build a $1,000 month online income stream in 2025 using free AI tools. You don't need a degree, experience, or a big budget. AI is leveling the playing field for everyone. Forget the jargon and gatekeepers. I'll break down exactly how you can use these tools, step by step, to start from scratch. We'll cover the best free AI tools, how to find clients or customers, and the numbers you need to hit that $1,000 month goal. Grab a notebook. Let's dive into building your AI-powered income stream. Why AI? And why now? What makes this moment in time so unique and ripe with opportunity? Because AI is no longer just for tech giants. It's not confined to Silicon Valley boardrooms or massive research labs anymore. It's accessible, often free, and transforming how we work, learn, and even create. The barriers to entry have been shattered. Today, anyone can use AI to automate tasks like content creation, from generating blog posts to crafting compelling marketing copy, and data analysis, sifting through mountains of information to find actionable insights, and customer service, providing instant support and resolving customer queries with remarkable efficiency. No PhD required. You don't need a deep understanding of complex algorithms or machine learning models. Businesses are desperate for efficiency. They're drowning in manual processes and struggling to keep up with the demands of a rapidly changing market. And they are willing to pay for solutions that save them time and money. They understand that automation is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for survival. You don't need to invent new AI. The tools already exist. You just need to know how to apply free tools to real business problems. It's about understanding the needs of businesses and creatively leveraging AI to address those needs. Local businesses like restaurants or salons are overwhelmed and need help automating tasks. They're often too busy running their business to learn and implement these technologies themselves, like setting up chatbots or email systems. These are simple solutions that can have a huge impact on their efficiency and customer satisfaction. They'll pay you for your expertise, not the tool itself. They're paying for your ability to understand their needs and implement the right solutions. The demand for AI-powered solutions is exploding. It's not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. And businesses risk falling behind if they don't adapt. They'll lose customers, become less competitive, and ultimately struggle to survive. This is your chance to become the go-to person who bridges that gap, the one who understands both the power of AI and the practical needs of local businesses. The best part? The only investment is your time to learn and reach out. There's no need for expensive equipment or specialized training. The market isn't saturated yet. There's still plenty of room for new players to enter and make a significant impact. 2025 is the perfect time to get in. The window of opportunity is wide open. Early adopters can build a solid foundation and recurring income. By establishing yourself now, you can create a sustainable business that generates revenue for years to come. This isn't a passing trend. It's the new normal. And you can be at the forefront. Be a leader in this revolution. Help businesses, earn great money, and ride the AI wave. It's a win-win-win situation. Ready to see how? Are you excited to learn the specific strategies and techniques you can use to capitalize on this opportunity? Let's get practical. Let's dive into the real-world applications of AI and how you can start helping businesses today. Let's dive in and get hands-on with ChatGPT, a revolutionary tool that's changing the way we approach business tasks. It's a free AI tool from OpenAI, and it's incredibly powerful. We're going to explore how you can offer a valuable service to businesses. Specifically, creating high-converting email templates for small businesses, a service that's in high demand. Think about all the different types of emails businesses need. Cold outreach, follow-ups to potential clients, re-engagement campaigns to keep existing customers interested, and so much more. The reality is, most business owners don't have the time, the skills, or frankly, the desire to sit down and write effective emails that truly convert. That's precisely where you come in, offering a much-needed solution. You can leverage ChatGPT to generate tailored email sequences that are specific to each business's needs. The key is to give it a detailed prompt. The more information you provide, the better the output will be. Be sure to include the business type, a clear description of their target audience, and the desired outcome of the email sequence. For example, act as an expert copywriter specializing in lead generation. Write 3 cold outreach emails for a plumbing company that's looking to expand its client base. These emails should be specifically targeting property managers in the local area. The emails should highlight their 24/7 emergency service and offer a special discount for new property management clients. With that prompt, ChatGPT will draft compelling emails for you. Then you simply review the drafts, personalize them to add that human touch, and deliver them to your client. You can easily charge $50 to $100 per client for this service, depending on the complexity of the email sequence and the research required. All it takes is spending an hour or two of your time, and you could potentially earn $150 or more for delivering a well-crafted set of emails. Your clients get professional, high-quality emails that have the potential to bring them thousands of dollars in new business and increased revenue. The best part is, you don't need to be a seasoned copywriter to do this. You just need to be good at crafting effective prompts and understanding the core needs of the business you're serving. And with a little bit of practice, you'll quickly develop the skills to create high-quality email sequences that businesses will be more than willing to pay for. This is a highly scalable and low-barrier way to start making real money with AI, offering a fantastic opportunity for growth. So, are you ready to move on to the next strategy and unlock even more potential? Let's go. Next up, AI chatbots. Tools like Tidio and ManyChat offer free plans perfect for local businesses. These bots answer FAQs, book appointments, and capture leads 24/7, saving owners tons of time. Your service set up and customize a chatbot for a local business. Most owners don't know how or don't have time. Install the bot, configure it to answer common questions, and direct users to book or leave their info. Charge a setup fee, $100, $300, then offer ongoing management for $50, $100/month. Just a few clients and you've got recurring income. The process is simple. Learn the tool, understand the business's needs, and build the chatbot flow. Offer a free trial to show results. Once they see leads coming in, they'll want to keep it. This is a high-value, scalable service using free tools. You're not just installing software, you're giving businesses a 24/7 assistant. Stack a few clients and you're well on your way to $1,000 a month. Now let's talk digital products. Ebooks, planners, templates, created with AI and sold for passive income. Use Notion AI or ChatGPT to outline and draft content. Canva makes design easy, even if you're not a designer. Pick a niche: side hustle guides, productivity planners, social media templates, fitness trackers. AI helps you brainstorm, outline, and draft. You add your insights and polish. Design in Canva, then sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Example: create a marketing planner with AI-generated prompts, design it in Canva, and sell for $19 on Etsy. Or an ultimate guide to AI for solopreneurs ebook for $29 on Gumroad. The keys solve a real problem for a specific audience. Once created, your product can sell over and over. True passive income. Minimal upfront cost, unlimited sales potential. Combine AI for content and Canva for design to build digital assets that pay you long-term. You've got services and products, honed your skills, and are ready to make an impact. Now, how do you actually find those first few clients who will benefit from your expertise? It's a question every freelancer and new business owner faces. Here's a simple, free, and surprisingly effective outreach strategy that anyone can implement, regardless of their budget. It's all about targeted, personalized communication. Start by using Google Maps to find local businesses in your area. Restaurants, the corner cafes, the family-owned diners, dentists, the local clinics, the specialized practices, salons from the high-end boutiques to the neighborhood barbershops. Once you've identified potential clients, get their contact info. Visit their websites, check their social media pages, and find that email address or phone number. Now craft and send a short, personalized email or direct message. Mention something specific and positive about their business. Show them you've actually taken the time to learn about them. Then offer a free AI solution trial and keep it low pressure. Make it clear that you're there to help, not just to sell. Example: hi, I saw your website and love your specific feature. Like the easy-to-use online booking system. I help businesses like yours get more leads and streamline operations with free AI tools. Want a free no-obligation trial to see how it could work for you? Consistency is absolutely key. Aim for at least 10 personalized messages a day to build momentum. Don't spam. Do quick research. A little effort to tailor your offer goes a long way in building trust and rapport. Use compelling subject lines to grab their attention. Something simple like, quick question about business name, or a bit more intriguing, idea to help business name get more leads. And finally, follow up if you don't get a reply. ChatGPT can be a great tool to help you write those polite and effective follow-ups. This costs nothing but your time and builds not only your confidence but also a solid foundation for your client base. Start conversations, offer genuine value, and let your results speak for themselves. Build relationships, not just transactions. This is how you turn your AI skills into real, sustainable income and build a thriving business. Let's break down how to hit $1,000 a month. For services, charge $100 per email template client. 10 clients a month gets you there. Or set up chatbots for $100 setup plus $50/month management. 20 clients at $50/month equals $1,000 recurring. Combine both, a few email clients, a few chatbot clients, and you're there even faster. Upsell existing clients. Start with one service, offer another. For digital products, sell a $20 planner. 50 sales a month equals $1,000. Or a $49 ebook, just 21 sales. Mix and match. $500 from services, $500 from products. Diversifying makes your income more stable. Tailor your approach to your strengths, client work, digital products, or both. Set clear goals, break them into weekly targets, and take consistent action. Track your progress and adjust as you learn. $1,000 a month isn't a dream. It's a target you can hit with these strategies. Time to take action. Pick one strategy: chatbots, email templates, or digital products, and focus there first. Learn the tools. Spend a few hours with ChatGPT, Tidio, Notion AI, and Canva. Your main investment is time, not money. Consistency is everything. Schedule daily outreach or product work. Don't get discouraged by no's. Every message gets you closer to a yes. You don't need to be an expert, just one step ahead of your client. Stay curious and keep learning as AI evolves. Progress beats perfection. Just start. The biggest barrier is inaction. Take your first step today. Send an email, outline a product, or try a new tool. Write down your first step and commit to it. The opportunity is real. The only thing missing is your action. You now have a step-by-step plan to make $1,000 a month with free AI tools even from scratch. The barrier to entry is low and demand is rising. Take your first step today, explore a tool, reach out to a business, or outline your product. Don't let fear or perfectionism stop you. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides and comment what AI tool or niche you want next. I'm here to help. Let me know your questions or what you're excited to try. Thanks for watching. Now go build your AI-powered income.